for it. Macho.
Buama!
Macho.
Opa macho. You knew this from the beginning. Wait till me come on the cry tell me ta. Neboa. You led me to something I would never like to do.
Doggy.
Doggy corner the man with two. Say come. We share my name to two. A poor two. Say me who me boa. Pressure.
Tell me that means me need busy. Macho.
Too much.
No matter how far you guys run, every one of you shall taste the blade of my machete.
Helmet. Crap.
No matter how far you run, I will be there waiting for you.
This is Sub-Zero and I'm on the feet yet. I hope you know that.
Sub-Zero.
Good. And you got the fucking gas to stand in front of me with this your weak match to stand against me. Oh, good. Clap for yourself. That's just
I show no mercy to my enemies. That's right.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath though, 'cause I can't move on till I let go.
And I would you win, sir. Ah, woman, me poor Dini. Saminiantia, come boys. I didn't say so go to you. Why you won't put up? Never come here, you are better with you. There's a man coming now. No, but the same camping. So what? We are waiting for us. Oh, we see. Possible me like, and I saw person coming to enemy. Munse fata sabutin wiase. For it. So what do you mean in here? Who come from one? Me, doggy. We do second way. And the kum is what doggy. Nobody grabs my machete and make a very good use of it. Sir. Never tried. Yes, sir.